Hello guys. So today we're gonna take one of this jar glass and we're gonna take the top out. We're not going to use it. Then I'm gonna take this hot glue and what I'm going to do is just press it down like that and just make like a line around it like that. And you're gonna make a line all the way around like that. Then you're gonna take another side, leave a little bit of the space and place another line inside. So you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole jar filled up with like that with the line. Once you do that, make sure to go again to fill out the gap that you left behind. After that, go ahead and grab the spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to take two pieces of fluorofoam and attach them in there first, and then I'm going to attach another piece. You could just use one piece and a half, so I'm going to use two pieces to make it a little bit higher. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my branches. These branches you can find in Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to fill it up with different color branches of red and gold. I'm going to use these flowers and I'm going to place it in the middle. So I'm going to use three of these red flower. I'm just going to take a stick, place it in the flower, and then attach it to the fluorofoam like that. Then after you fill out the whole thing, I also have these little branches in Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out, and I'm just gonna fill it up just to make it a little bit fuller, so it doesn't look as empty. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so cute, but at the same time, it looks so elegant that you guys can do at home. I think this one came out so pretty, and I love it how it turns out. Now, I just didn't want to leave it at that. I want to do something different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it like a little gift for somebody. So I'm gonna take this chocolate and I'm gonna put the stick inside like that. Just press it down a little bit and then just place it in the fluorofoam, like attach it with the fluorofoam. So you're just gonna continue doing this until you put as many chocolate as you guys want. So after you fill it out, this is how cute you guys it turns out. So this can be a centerpiece and it also can be a gift to somebody. I think someone is going to love it. Another way that you guys can do it if you don't want to make it like that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown paper out of the chocolate like that and then just put it back into the stick like that. So I'm gonna do that to all of them until I leave them all in gold without the brown. So then after you guys do all of them like that, I'm gonna place them together. So I'm gonna do you could do as many as you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like five or six like that. Attach them together like that. So after you put it like around it like that, then go ahead and grab your tape and we're going to attach it. So just put the tape around the stick like that to attach it into place. Once you guys do that, that is just turns out just like this one. We're gonna go ahead and place it inside the jar, and then we're gonna put flour around it, like that of the jar. And so you fill out the whole thing. We're gonna do a cute little bit of branches there and there. We're gonna do some gold just to make it stand out and super cute. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and super easy. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.